We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Good morning, all of you. In last lecture, we completed the constant volume, constant pressure, and isothermal process. So now we are going to learn the next process, and the name of the process is adiabatic. So here I share one screen, all of you. So first of all, it is okay. So name of the process is adiabatic process. Okay. So here I draw the one PV diagram for adiabatic process. First of all, I write down the name diabetic process. Okay, now I draw the PV diagram of it. It is same as the isothermal process, hyperbolic curve are there. Okay, so it is a P and it is volume line. Okay, so here I write down the pressure P and here, so it is the PV diagram volume. So it is a hyperbolic like this. Okay, so it is a state 1 and it is state 2. So as I told you earlier that you have to write down the volume here. So it is V1 and it is V2. Same here, it is pressure P1 and it is pressure P2. Okay. Now, first of all, what is the adiabatic process? In adiabatic process, you have to remember the one thing is that. So here I write down that one thing. Here, whatever the amount of heat transfer, it is 0. And why it is 0? Because whenever the process are there 122 and 221 means the cylinder are there. In the cylinder, the one adiabatic cover is available. Okay, one adiabatic, because with the cover the heat transfer is 0. So the main key points or main thing in adiabatic process that heat transfer is 0. Okay, and the frictionless adiabatic process is also there. So in last lecture I told you we have to prepare the 5 things one by one. So first is the work done. Now whenever you derive the work done, the basic equation of work done I told you in the last lecture is that W is equal to, okay, integration P into dV. So here you can write down the equation as well. What is the basic equation of adiabatic process? I write down it is a PV raised to gamma. So it's difficult to write down the gamma in the whiteboard. Okay, so I write down the 4 gamma is equal to C. Okay, what is gamma? Gamma is adiabatic index Cp by Cv. Okay, what is gamma is equal to Cp divided by Cv. Okay, now if you want to derive the first thing, so here I write down the first point and it is work done. Okay, work done of adiabatic process. Now the basic equation of W, as we know, it is P into dV. Okay, or integration dV. So So here the pressure and volume both are not constant. So how to derive the equation? So whenever the equation like that, then you have to put the value of constant. Okay. Otherwise, the value of P from this equation, it is C divided by V raised to gamma. Okay. So when we put the value of P from this equation, so we can derive the W easily. Okay. So here I write down, if we put P is equal to C divided by V raised to gamma into dV. Okay. So it is the integration, and after the integration, what happened? C is common out. The integration of 1 over V raised to gamma, it is V raised to minus gamma plus 1 divided by minus gamma plus 1. So after bifurcate the things, or after simplify the things, we get the equation of work done is P1 V1 minus P2 V2 divided by gamma minus 1. So I don't have the gamma, so I write down the 4 here, it is minus 1. So it is equation number 1. So it is the work done of adiabatic process. Now the most important thing is, means it is like it's like the isothermal process. In isothermal process, 1 upon C. Okay. In isothermal process, there are 1 upon V are there. So 1 upon constant or 1 upon V, it is log V. But here it is 1 upon V raised to some power. So it is not a log. It is V raised to minus gamma plus 1 divided by minus gamma plus 1. So now what is the relation between pressure, volume and temperature? Pressure, volume and temperature. So here we use the two equations to solve this. One is PV raised to gamma, PV raised to gamma is equal to C. And second equation we are using is combined gas law equation, PV by T is equal to C, PV by T is equal to C. So if I give the name to this equation, equation number 2 and equation number 3. So when we divide the equation number 2 with 3, then we got one equation, and after they simplify these two equations, we get the value of ratio between pressure, temperature and volume is T1 by T2 is equal to, in bracket, T1 by T2 bracket over gamma minus 1 divided by gamma is equal to, in bracket, V2 divided by V1 bracket complete gamma minus 1. So here I write down the 4 for the gamma because it is difficult to insert the mathematical formula in the whiteboard. Okay, so it is our equation number 4. So it is the second thing. Third thing, I told you you have to prepare the which thing, it is a heat transfer, and here heat transfer is 0. Okay, so Q is equal to 0 as I told you in this lecture. Then after fourth one is, you have to prepare the fourth one is delta H, means dH. What is the value of dH? It is mCp P2 minus P1. Understand? So one by one you have to give the equation to all. This equation number 5. This equation number 6. Okay, and last one, fifth. It is du, internal energy, change in internal energy, as we know, it is mCv T2 minus T1. Understand? Okay, so it is equation number 7. So it is which process? It is a adiabatic process. So in adiabatic process, it is if you want to prepare the adiabatic process, then first prepare the isothermal. From the isothermal, you can derive easily the work done. The procedure is same. Only here it is 1 upon V raised to gamma, and in isothermal it is 1 upon V. Okay. So it is the main equation. Then after relation between PVT derived from these two equation. Understand? And heat transfer is zero, as I told you, because of the adiabatic cover there are no heat transfer. Then after change in enthalpy mcp T2 minus T1, and change in internal energy it is mcv T2 minus T1. So first two things is, it is a most important things in adiabatic process whenever you derive the things. Okay. Now in the next lecture we will start the polytropic process. Okay. So for the polytropic process, please you have to read the adiabatic process first. Okay, there are minor difference. So here I stop the sharing.